I'm pretty sure I've done a video where I've talked about my TV show ideas, but I can't find it, which isn't unusual. I tend to lose a lot of videos, so I could have shot it and just never uploaded it. But I want to take this video and I want to talk about my car show idea. I actually have two of them now. And the first car show idea is budget gear. And what I want to do with budget gear is I want to buy some land and I want to set up a track. And then I'm going to have like the absolute budgetest car. It'll definitely, like, my race car will be a Chevy Cavalier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a lap time on the track, and then every single episode I'm going to make a challenge in relation to driving on the track. So I'll set a lap time with like just driving normally, and then I'll set another lap time, like how fast can I go in reverse, how fast can I go drifting every corner, or, you know, just, Jesus, that guy's speeding. But like, there'll be a different challenge every single time, every single episode, to see like a difference, like how fast of a lap can I do with obstacles on the course, how many laps can I do on like a gallon of gas, like challenges like that. And the other aspect of the show is going to be every single episode I will set a budget, and then I will then go out and buy a car for that budget and then full on road test it. There will be a road test, there will be performance tests. We'll test how reliable the car is, how realistic the car is as a daily driver. We'll determine if the car was worth the money. We'll take it to the track, like to my track, and we'll see what kind of lap time it can set. And then we'll take it to a mechanic and get an inspection done to see how much work it would take to make the car roadworthy. It would probably be about a 30-minute episode. It could be longer, could be shorter. Like I said, I need to experiment with it and see how it goes. But like my first episode would be, can you buy a reliable car for $500? And then I just take a budget of $500. I would find the most reliable car I could, like a Honda Civic. I would do all these tests to see if it actually is a reliable car. And then I would take it to a mechanic, and like that $500 car, to get it on the road, is it going to be like $8,000 or is it all good? So that's what I want to do. Like, I'm going to do this no matter what. Right now I'm saving up money. I'm going to pay off my credit card debt, and as soon as I pay off my credit card debt, I'm going to buy some land, and I'm going to put up my track, and I'm going to start shooting this show no matter what. What I'm going to hopefully do is I'm going to set up a Kickstarter campaign and a GoFundMe campaign and a crowdfunding campaign and all that shit, and hopefully get a bigger budget so that I can do more episodes and I can have cooler cars. Because like, I'm going to do videos like, what's the best convertible you can buy for $1,000? Can you get like all luxury features like leather and all electrical for like $1,000? Can you get like a rear-wheel drive coupe for like $2,000? Like, I'm going to set a budget, try to get a specific kind of car within that budget, and the more money I have when I do it, the more episodes I'm going to be doing. Like, right now, if I had all my debt cleared and I had my track and were to start now, I would only have a budget of about $6,000, and I would spread that as thinly as I could, and I'd probably be able to do 5 episodes. So hopefully I'll be able to do like a Kickstarter campaign and GoFundMe and all that shit, and maybe I'll get a bigger budget and I'll be able to do more episodes. But like, that's my idea for budget gear. That's something that I'm gonna do it no matter what happens. If I have to be broke all the time in order to do it, I will do it. It's gonna happen. But if I can get funding for it, it'll be all that much more better. And the first season, like I said, I'm gonna have such a small budget, it's just gonna be me, and that's probably not gonna be as good. What I was hoping, what I really want is to get a second presenter, so that when we do the budget things, we can get two cars and we can compare them to see who got a better deal, and we can have some like arguments back and forth, like develop a camaraderie and some charisma. Banter, that's the word I'm looking for. Get some banter going. And I would really like to be able to hire a camera person so that I can actually have more shots than like interior shots of the car, mounting cameras on the car, tripod cameras. I want to be able to have some flexibility. The kind of flexibility you need to have an actual independent camera guy in order to get. So like, I really do want to take this seriously. I want to make it really awesome. But I'm not going to have the money to do that, so the first season probably will just be kind of me struggling to get it. And the second season, if I get a bigger budget, if it's successful, I'll shell out and I'll shell out the money and I'll get like a crew, a camera guy, and another actor together, and like with every season it'll get better because I'll learn what to do, what not to do, and I'll start getting bigger budgets as I save up more money and hopefully get more interest and more funding, and this show will only get better. So that's my idea for my budget gear show. I'm sure you can guess what it's influenced by. But like, honestly, tell me what you guys think. Would you watch this show? Would you fund that show? Would you tell your friends to watch that show? Would you watch that show with your girlfriend, with your parents? Probably not your parents, because I swear a lot. And there's another thing. If I were to, like, I'm going to take this seriously, so I would actually try to knock off the swearing so I can make this like a family-friendly show. Something that, like once a week or once a month that you, like, everyone sits down together and you watch it together. Like I said, like, I want to make it a show. Like, it's going to be a TV show just on YouTube where you don't have to pay $800 a month to watch it. And so yeah, like I said, comment, please, like, please, even if you think it's the dumbest idea you've ever heard and you absolutely hate it, please comment, because this is something I want to take really seriously. So any feedback, I 100% want all your feedback. Because this is something I plan on doing, so anything you say, like, to make it better will help. So please, comment on this video, tell me what you think about the idea.